Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into something quite fascinating. Did you know that the spices on your kitchen shelf could boost your health in amazing ways? Yes, you heard that right. We're going to explore the healing power of spices. So, let's get started with 7 incredible spices that can significantly boost your health and how you can easily include them in your diet. First up, turmeric. It's renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits thanks to an active compound called curcumin. This golden spice helps reduce inflammation, improves brain function, and lowers the risk of heart disease. So, how can you use turmeric in your cooking? Try making golden milk. Blend turmeric with warm milk. You can use dairy or plant-based milk. Add a pinch of black pepper to help with absorption and a bit of honey for sweetness. Or you can add a teaspoon of turmeric to your curries or soups. It gives a vibrant color and packs in the health benefits. Next, let's talk about ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's effective in alleviating nausea, reducing muscle pain, and combating indigestion. One simple way to include ginger is by making ginger tea. Simmer fresh ginger slices in water for about 10 minutes. Then strain and add honey and lemon for flavor. You can also grate fresh ginger into your stir-fries or blend it into smoothies for a zesty kick. Moving on to cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and boasts anti-inflammatory properties. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve heart health, and reduce infection risks. An easy way to enjoy cinnamon is by sprinkling it over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. You can also add it to baked goods like muffins, breads, and cookies for a warm, spicy flavor. Now let's discuss garlic. Garlic is known for boosting the immune system and lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also has antiviral effects. Roasting garlic can bring out its sweet, mellow flavor. Roast whole garlic bulbs and spread the soft cloves on bread or mix them into mashed potatoes. Or simply add minced garlic to sautéed vegetables, pasta sauces, and marinades. Next up, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which boosts metabolism, reduces hunger, and has pain-relieving properties. It also improves circulation and supports heart health. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your hot chocolate for a surprising twist. Or incorporate it into chili stews and marinades for an extra kick of heat. Now let's talk about black pepper. Black pepper is rich in piperine, enhancing nutrient absorption and boasting anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps with digestion and may support brain health. Use freshly ground black pepper to season almost any savory dish: eggs, salads, meats, soups, you name it. You can also create a peppercorn sauce for steaks by simmering black peppercorns with cream and broth. Last but not least, cloves. Cloves have antimicrobial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. They help relieve toothache, improve liver health, and regulate blood sugar. Add whole cloves to spiced beverages like mulled wine, cider, or chai tea, or incorporate ground cloves into gingerbread cookies, cakes, and pumpkin pie for a warm, spiced flavor. Here's a delightful recipe to try: golden turmeric chicken soup. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 4 cups chicken broth, 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger, and sauté until fragrant. Stir in the turmeric and cook for another minute. Pour in the chicken broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Add the shredded chicken and coconut milk. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Another simple and delicious recipe is cinnamon spiced apple oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups water or milk, 1 apple diced, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt. Nuts and seeds for topping. Instructions: in a saucepan, bring water or milk to a boil. Add the oats and reduce heat to a simmer. Stir in the diced apple, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until oats are tender. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Top with nuts and seeds before serving. So there you have it. 7 amazing spices that not only add flavor to your food but also bring a host of health benefits. Why not experiment with these spices in your kitchen today? Comment below on how you use these spices in your cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and food tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.